it's got a weight you can feel. Jet black paint, drinking midday heat. White scallops cutting clean, looking sharp and neat. Headlights squinting like they've seen a few years. Like a big old bird, wings pulled in tight. You know this Caddy's coming when it's rolling at night. You know this Caddy's coming when it's rolling at night. Wide wheels wound tight like a spider's lie. Wide walls floating when the road goes dry. Rear end low, nose held proud. Chrome so heavy it shouldn't be allowed. Bench seat shadows, thin white wheel. Dare still speak the language of Detroit. Steel built back when luxury really meant size, and patience mattered more than speed or noise. Low and black, this Cadillac ain't coming back. You know this Cadillac